Tired of digging through paperwork or spreadsheets just to track attendance? Well, we've got some great news for you. Kit makes it quick and effortless. Let's walk through how to take attendance and access reports in just a few clicks. First, go to the Instruction tab and find your event. Then click Start Instruction to begin. If you need to add any notes or lesson plans, you can do that here. Then hit Start Instruction to move on to attendance. A pop-up window will appear, allowing you to mark attendance with ease. By default, students are marked as present, but if a student is absent, just click the box next to their name, so that it will change from green to red. You can also select a reason for their absence here. Now, let's go ahead and check out those attendance reports. Head over to the Attendance tab, where you'll find a full list of student attendance logs, along with key details including the overall attendance percentage, total events recorded, events attended versus events absent, the total service minutes that student received, along with their IEP service time. If you need to find specific records, simply search for a student by name or set custom start and end dates to narrow your results. That way, you can quickly find exactly what you need. To view a detailed breakdown of a student's attendance history, just expand their card for a complete session-by-session overview. If you need to save or share attendance records, just check the box next to a student's name and click Export. Your attendance report will be ready in seconds. With Kit, tracking attendance is fast, simple, and stress-free. Now you can go ahead and take attendance like a pro.